To make the blanket of 90 per 90 centimeters, I used 500 grams of this yarn, a 4mm crochet hook, a needle and scissors. The recommended needle for the yarn is 2.53mm. I'm going to show you how to make the blanket, and I will explain how you can make the blanket smaller or bigger. Let's go with step by step. To make the blanket of 90 centimeters using this yarn, I made 140 stitches, 140 chains. So chain 140, and if you want to make the blanket smaller or bigger, you have to make more or less chains, always multiple of 2 stitches. In this case, I'm making less chains because I am making a small sample. Once you have the chain, you have to start with chain 3. In the chain number 4 from the hook, you have to make 2 double crochet together, 2 double crochet in the chain, in the 4th chain from the hook. So 1 double crochet and again 1 double crochet in the same space. Now we have to repeat to the end of the chain, skip 1 stitch, skip 1 chain and 2 double crochet together. Repeat again, skip 1 chain and 2 double crochet together. Skip 1 chain and 2 double crochet together. You have to repeat the same to the end of the chain. Once you are at the end of the chain, you have to skip the chain and make 1 double crochet on the last chain. 1 double crochet. If you want to change the color, you have to make the second step of the double crochet with the next color, with the following color. So I'm going to change the color now. Continue with the row number 2 with chain 3, turn, and make between the 2 double crochet together. In between the 2 double crochet you have to make 2 double crochet together, so you have to make 2 double crochet together on the 2 double crochet together of the previous row. And repeat the same to the end of the row. 2 double crochet together on the 2 double crochet together of the previous row. 1 V on the V of the previous row, and repeat the same to the end of the row. Here in this space you have to make 2 double crochet. Repeat the same to the end of the row. Once you are at the end of the row, you have to make 1 double crochet in the 3rd chain of the beginning of the previous row. Remember that if you want to change the color, you have to make the 2nd step of the double crochet with the following color. So change the color, chain 3, turn, and repeat the same of the row number 2. 2 double crochet together in between of the 2 double crochet together of the previous row, and this is what you have to repeat to the end of the row. Remember, at the end of the row you have to make 1 double crochet on the 3rd chain. And this is what you have to repeat to have the length of the blanket that you need. In my case, I will make 90 centimeters. Now I'm going to show you how to make the edge of single crochet. You have to take the yarn and you have to place the yarn on the last row. And you have to make 1 single crochet in all the row, 1 single crochet on each stitch. On the corner you have to make 1 single crochet, chain 2, here you are making a corner, and on the same stitch you have to make again 1 single crochet. Now you made the corner and now you have to make now single crochet on the side, making 1 single crochet in the middle of the double crochet and 1 single crochet in the space where you change the row. One single crochet in the chain 2, and 1 single crochet in the change of the row. repeat 1 single crochet to the end of the side, and you have to make 1 single crochet, chain 2 and 1 single crochet on the corner, continue making 1 single crochet on each stitch of the bottom part of the blanket, and repeat the same on the corner, 1 single crochet, chain 2 and 1 single crochet, and on the other side repeat the same that we made on the first side. Once you finish the last side, you have to make 1 single crochet in the corner, chain 2 and make 1 slip stitch with the first single crochet of the edge. And you finished the blanket. Remember that here I am making a small sample.